Okay, YouTube, I have a project update on the Diesel GMC. I did some work on it the other week, and the 6.5 is in here. Almost looks like it was made to go in there. I've got ample clearance in all places. Actually fits slightly better than an LS does in the stock position in these. Some brand new motor mounts down here. The exhaust manifolds are pretty close, but they do fit. And actually over here, I had to take the two center cylinder glow plug wire heat shields off and trim the studs so they would clear. They do fit. I will just wrap those wires with some spark plug wire boots. Everything fits. With my AC delete, I've got ample room around the turbo downpipe. My whole hand fits in there. No problem at all. This cylinder head's very close to the firewall, but it might move a little because the transmission is not in yet. I'll have plenty of room for the crossover pipe. Not sure what I'm going to do for a downpipe, because right there is the V-band for it. And I'm probably not going to have room down there, so it actually looks like it might have to stay on the outside of the frame rail, which would be no problem because I don't plan on running a muffler on it anyway. If we look down on this side, you can see the other exhaust manifold where it comes down for the crossover pipe. Should have ample room to get the crossover pipe in there. If we look underneath, the 4L80E is not in here yet. I'm probably gonna have to move the cross member and re-drill some holes for that. We can see the bottom of the engine here. Plenty of room for everything. Plenty of room underneath the oil pan. So, that is where we're at the moment. I will continue to update this as I move along. The wiring starts next, and then I'll get the transmission in. So I will keep you posted.